In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp's whiteboards. Let's start from your main workspace. From the left-hand side, open the team space where you want to work and make sure you're in the overview area. This is usually where you see a general summary of that space, and it's also where the whiteboards option will be available. Near the top of the overview, look for the section where different views or tools are listed. There, you'll see an option that opens additional views. Click on that area, and from the list that appears, choose Whiteboard. This will either open an existing whiteboard for that space or create a new one, depending on your setup. Once the whiteboard opens, you'll see a large canvas in the middle and a toolbar, usually along the side or the top. The highlights in this tutorial are guiding you through those key buttons on the toolbar. Start by moving your mouse over the canvas and the tools to get familiar with what's available: shapes, connectors, notes, and other visual elements. Click on the first highlighted tool on the toolbar. This is typically something like a selection or pointer tool, which lets you click, drag, and move items around the board. Next, follow the highlights through the different tools, one for creating shapes, another for drawing arrows or connections, and another for adding sticky notes or similar elements. Each time you click a highlighted tool, try placing that element on the canvas so you can see how it behaves. When you see the highlight over the text tool, marked with a T, click it. Then click anywhere on the canvas to add a text box. Type a simple label or heading so you can practice formatting. After adding text, use the subsequent highlighted controls to adjust things like size, color, alignment, or style. This helps you organize information visually and make your whiteboard easier to read. Continue following the highlights as they move around the interface. Some of these may refer to zoom controls, allowing you to zoom in for detail work and zoom out to see the big picture. Others may guide you to options for duplicating elements, grouping them, or deleting items you no longer need. As you click through the final highlighted areas, you'll see additional options that help you manage and refine your whiteboard, such as rearranging items and keeping your layout clean. Take your time with each highlighted button. Experiment briefly on the canvas, and you'll quickly get comfortable using ClickUp's whiteboards for planning, brainstorming, and collaborating with your team.